Welcome back everybody, Vietnam Steve here, and I've got a good one for you today. I thought I would give you a quick tour of the apartment here inside so you can see exactly what we're dealing with, and then also take you and see what's outside in the facilities of the complex here. I think we've got about 1,000 apartments in this complex, and it's 8 or 20 odd levels tall. I'm up on level 18. I haven't tidied up the apartment, so it's just going to be as it is, and you'll get to see it warts and all. And I'll go fairly quickly, just spend a couple of minutes showing you some of the features. I've been in here for 6 months or so, and got a bit of a view. I look out over the harbour out there, so I'll show you that. But really just give you the feel for how I'm living here in the land of the rising dragon. So come with me, I'll turn the camera around, we'll whiz through the apartment, and then I'll come back and tell you some of the salient details. All right, first things first. So we come in the door there for the apartment, and over on the side there we have the kitchen. We had to build in all of these cupboards here. So I've got a microwave down below. I have to say I've only plugged that in yesterday, so we haven't used it in 6 months because it wasn't even plugged in. We've got a hot plate there that has an extractor system up above it. That goes up through the roof and comes out outside, so it's an external fan that goes out. And then all those cupboards up there have plates and crockery and stuff. The sink's an interesting beast. I don't know if I've got dirty dishes in the sink, I probably have. But the round knob on my right there adjusts the temperature, and then the little buttons there tell you which device you're going to use. So I have a drinking fountain there that runs on filtered water. I have a squirty thing that comes out on a hose. Where the dishes are there's water that comes out there for cleaning salads. Water also comes out of here, and there's one over the back there that's got the sponge on it for a good reason. That one you put a cup upside down on, push the button, and it cleans the cup. Of course, if you accidentally push the button with nothing on it, it hits the roof, so that's the problem. Dishwasher gets used once a week, nice big fridge. Out this door here, I won't go out there, but that is the laundry out there. So basically a washing machine and dryer, and get a nice breeze in there of an evening. The desk is pretty much the kitchen table. I've just been doing some stuff there, so that's a shambles. And then we've got the couch and the TV over there. The thing on the balcony that's hanging on the fence is actually a bar that comes up. I'll show you that one shortly. And then round this way, got the fan going, a nice little sitting area there with a mirror. And then all of these cupboards here are for putting things in as you come in the door. Down the bottom, all the shoes go underneath. All right, let's go down the hall and see what's what. So we've jammed in here for 2 kids, so we put a bunk in. These kids are 15 and 12, so one's in the bottom, one's in the top. Quite a funky setup, and 2 desks for study for them. They've got a wardrobe set up here and an air conditioner up in the top, and their own little shelves over there. Out their room when they're sitting here is not a bad view. The red mud down below is going to be a shopping centre, but we generally look across the bay there to islands on the other side. Not islands, mountains. Right. Directly opposite them is the second bathroom. So this is a shower, normal arrangement that you get, and kids use that one. And then down the end of the hall here, we've got the master bedroom. So a few shelves there for Steve's stuff, some more shelves under the bed, drawers under the bed, and a nice dressing table set up over there to do the makeup, comb the hair, etc. Again, out the window, great view, and of course each room is air conditioned. This one's also got its own some WC in here with a shower, etc. So all fairly modern. And this is a mopping vacuum scenario, so it cleans and mops and vacuums all at the same time. And then these are all wardrobes here, so they're full of clothes, including up the top. So quite a lot of storage in the apartment. I'll take you out to the balcony, and then I'll come back and tell you a few other salient points. So outside here, as you can see, we've got the road to Ha Long down the bottom there, the harbour over the back, and this thing in the front here comes up like a bar, so I'll pull that up now and show you what it's actually like. And you can sit there and have a beer of an evening. In this cupboard here are some bar stools that will go there, but that's very nice to sit out there in the evening. Coming back inside, got a TV up on the wall. These shelves here are all built in, and those drawers are full of paraphernalia. This one here I usually put my computer and stuff in. This is the Vietnam Steve shelf, and then a nice little decorative piece there. So all in all, great place to be. So I hope that's given you a good feel for where we're living here. Nice clock on the wall with a light shining on it there, similarly for the painting. And we've got a swimming pool here and a nice outdoor area downstairs. So I might duck up the corridor, show you what that's like, show you where the rubbish goes, and then wrap it up. But thanks for coming on the apartment tour. And for those of you wondering about the costs of this, stay tuned. I'll have that at the end because I've seen one advertised that's pretty similar to this, and it's cheaper than you think. So here we are on level 18. I'll just go down here to the rubbish section. So I've got a door here that says garbage room, and we just basically go through 2 doors in here, put our garbage into a bag, out into a bin, and the lady comes and takes it away every day. All right, I'm going to going to go up. So I'm going to the lifts, I'm pushing up, going to level 23, I'll show you the swimming pool. So come on, let's go up. So the lift requires a card. We push 23, and we're heading up there now. So I'll back out when we get there because there's a mirror behind me and that'll just throw everyone into hysterics. So here we are up on level 23. I'm ducking across to the pool now. So I'll come out of here, and it's just down the corridor here in the roof. So we'll go through a fire door. I came down here earlier today and there was an apartment open that's under construction. I don't really want to duck in there, but probably could pan the camera around in there for you. So this one's might do that. I'll just stop this. Not yet finished. That's what the internals of the organisation looks like. This is a 2-storey apartment, so they've got a balcony down there, and I'm just making sure I don't fall down any holes. As you can see here, they've got stairs going down, and that will take them out to their balcony. I'm not going to go down there because I'm not that good. But clearly, a couple of bedrooms upstairs here, and then they can go down and be on their balcony. So that one's a little bit more salubrious than mine. We'll go through another fire door. And if we go up here, this is heading to... You look down there, you see the balcony from that apartment. So come on through. I'm walking across a glass walkway, and this is open from 6 till 10 and 3 till 7. So the little buggers have locked it up, but down in there we have a swimming pool. They have somebody sitting down there to make sure you don't drown. And obviously it's after 10 AM at the moment, so closed off. It'll be open from 3 till 7, so I usually come in the morning, but I'll come back, have my swim this afternoon. So all in all, that's how we get to the swimming pool. I'm going to go down below and show you the facilities down there now. And then it's all over Red Rover. Tell me when you're coming. So I'm back in the lift now, going down to level 1. Let's hope nobody jumps in the lift before I get to level 1. Otherwise I'll have a problem. When I get out on level 1, I'll show you how we get into the complex here, and then what those facilities are downstairs. So we've got a security thing we have to come through here. That does facial recognition, says, okay, fat boy, you're in, or you can swipe the card to get in. So this is one of 3 towers. Sing Chow. And the other 2 are the same. Mailboxes are down below. And then we come outside here and we've got a lovely facility that people come to early in the morning and late at night. And it does get a nice breeze in here that circulates between the buildings. There is a sky bridge that walks all the way around, and I'll show you that now. So as I come out the door, I glance up and I see a sky bridge similar to the one that we were on. What we've got down here is sort of paddleboard scenarios. That court's gone a bit haywire, but this one's fine. People down here using them every night. I better be careful, this is wet and I don't fancy slipping over in the Japanese work boots. Pretty hot here now, it's coming up to lunchtime, so nobody's here. Lovely kids playground. I did do a vart from down here about how to catch a Vietnamese woman and make her your wife. You might recognise some of this. We've got a pharmacy over there. I've used that today. Bought my pharmaceuticals for $3. But look at these tables. You can come and sit down here and have your dinner, and a lot of people do. And we've got barbecues and sinks and things as well, so fairly well appointed. We've got a couple of cafes down around the outside as well, but we won't go out there. You've got to pay for the electrics, and you've probably got to pay for your Wi-Fi. Now your Wi-Fi is going to be $20 for the month. Don't know what the electrics would be, but it's not that cheap. So it could be $100 for the month for electrics and water. But suffice to say, it's cheaper than where you're living now. So if you're looking to come and stay at the Dragon Castle, this might be an option for you. Hit me up, and I'm sure I can put you in touch with somebody that can help you out. You won't be renting my apartment, but as you can see, there's many here. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for coming on the apartment tour with me. It's great that a lot of you have been asking about that tour, including today. Hello. Xin chào. Lunch soon. Security man is having lunch. He asks why I'm not having lunch. Please share this video with any of your friends that you think might be interested. Get them to get in contact with me via the comments. Happy to respond. Like the video. Let's make this one go viral. Really appreciate you being with me today. Thanks so much. Steaming up the hot pot for lunch today. Got some beef that's going to go in there. The hot pot's actually bubbling along. Got that moving on the stove earlier. And a few accoutrements to throw in. So this is going to be absolutely tasty.